Does it ever happen when you buy the stock thinking it's a dip, but it's not a dip and the stock keeps going down? Does it ever happen when you see the stock going up, so you chase the stock and you think it's going to go up even more, but as soon as you buy, the stock comes back down? If yes, then this is the video. In this video, you're going to learn how to exactly find the best support areas to buy the stock at the best possible price. So you will learn keys to determine a good support areas and get best prices. I will show you with examples. You will also learn how to buy low and sell high. This will also help you to have small losses and big wins, which is very key to trading. And then we'll look at 3 key examples, the stocks that actually gave opportunities like these today, which is in BA, Boeing, Tesla, and PRQR. So there are like some big stocks and some small cap stocks. So I'm gonna show you all varieties of it. So let's look at an example number 1. So this is ticker number PRQR, ticker symbol. It happened today, the stock went up over 70%. However, what's the good price to buy, or how to determine the best dip buy areas? So let's look at here. So in order to do that, first you need to determine or find the area where the demand increased significantly of the stock. How to find a demand where the increase significantly is you find the stock where it moved up crazy. So you see how this is the biggest candle right here. So this is the area where you can say, okay, the stock moved dramatically here. So this is where the huge demand came in. Okay. Now a lot of people, what they do is when they see the stock going up, they think it's going to go up a lot, so they start to buy up here, right? I'm sure I used to do that a lot too, and I'm sure you guys, probably some of you guys do that too, which is okay because that's how we learn. But notice here, if you had bought here and the stock had come back down and you got scared and you got stopped out, and then eventually it did go up, right? So how to know this is the good area to buy? So what you do is you first find where the demand increased dramatically. And once you see that, you see here, you draw a support line. Okay, so you draw a support line right here. So notice here, this is the area where the demand increased significantly. And that's where you draw a support line. And notice here, it came down 3 times, 1, 2, 3, to buy the exact area. So what you do is you find the area where the demand increased significantly, draw a support line, and that's where you buy. That's where most likely the stock is going to go up. And if you buy and the stock keeps going down, then you take a small loss, right? Because you're expecting that that's where the stock is going to go. But let's say that you want to be on safer side, right? Let's say that you don't know exactly where it is. So if the stock does come back to the same area or support and then makes a trend line break, you can buy at the break here as well. Okay, so there are 2 areas where you can do it. Now let's look at another example, BA, Boeing. Now in Boeing here, you see here exactly what happened. The number 1 thing you're gonna do is you're gonna find the stock where it demand increased significantly. Okay, so here do you see this big green candle? All of a sudden, boom. First it happened here, but then it happened here again. So then you draw a support line right here where the stock broke out from or had a significant demand increase. And look what happened. Look for the stock to come back down the same area where it did, and look here, there's a good buying opportunity here. Now let's say you don't want to buy because you don't know, you're not confident enough because you don't know how much further it's going to go down. You can buy small and then buy at the break here at the trend line. And notice here, that's what I meant today in the chat when I told you guys or the members that hey, BA and Tesla are trending. So I sent a screenshot of BA. Look here, this is exactly this trend I sent here, right here. Okay, and I talked about Tesla as well, and I'm going to show you Tesla as well, what happened here as well, and why I predicted this move. All right, so let's look into Tesla. Same thing, first you find the area where the demand increased significantly. So notice here, this Tesla went up and came down, and now it's going up and down, going up and down, and boom, eventually it went up, right? You see how the demand increased significantly? Now, let's say you missed it. Okay, now there's a trend line break where you could have bought, but it's okay. Let's say you missed it. Then what you do is you draw a support line where the stock went up dramatically, and look where did it come down to. So look for the stock to come back down the same area, right, which is support or dip buy area opportunity at the bottom, and then you could have bought here, okay, or you could have bought here at the break. So there are 2 opportunities to buy. this gives you the best risk to reward, right? However, you have to give some more room down, because you could have come down more and then go up, so you have to give a little bit of room. However, if you buy the trend break, so you buy here, then your stop loss is very well defined. So it depends how you want to play, but that's how you find the best possible prices, and that's how you predict where the price is going to go up from there. So you find, again, the demand will increase significantly, look for the stock to come back down to the same area, and then buy at that area, and then expect the support to hold and then go. Or if it doesn't hold, then you take a small loss. All right, so that's it, guys, and I'll see you in the chat. Bye.